I didn't want to make this video, but you've basically bullied me into doing it.
I have filmed an entire week at the gym. I videoed the whole thing. I want to preface this with saying, number one, I didn't want to make this video. I'm not like a fitness influencer. I'm just some fucking random dude. Number two, it's also like kind of beginner shit. It's really nothing. I work out with my buddy Tyler, who you'll see in some of these videos, and we work with a coach, Dr. Sophie, who is a phenomenal individual. So shout out Dr. Sophie. And here's what it is. You're gonna see. It's like really, it's like whatever. All right, let's start with Monday. Quick, 400 meter run, 1,000 meter biker, 400 meter run warm up, a little twisty stretch, and kind of banded lat stretch, and some weighted hip stuff. That's a little bit gay. I mean, whatever. So then we built up a heavy set of 5 back squat. We did it in kilos plates, so I don't really know. I think it was 270s. I don't remember. And then we did this workout: a ski machine, jump rope, wall balls, which are stupid fucking things, and these burpees over a little box. And you jump over a little box, and then you do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did it totally fine. It was so easy. Like, I didn't panic at all. So then you finish off with some planks and some jumbo sit-ups, and you carry the fucking things around and whatever. Easy. See what I mean? It's nothing. It's like really nothing. Here's Tuesday. So rowing and a little biking and rowing and biking and whatever. And then a little stretching, a little bit more, kind of gay stuff. If it's not gay, you're not doing it right. Then we did some bench press, kind of same thing. We built to a heavy set of 5. My heaviest set was 240. And basically once you max out, you kind of take a little bit of the weight off and you just fucking rip it until you can't do anymore, which I did like, I don't know, I did a lot of reps. Then, you know, a little slutty bodybuilding. And then we got into the workout, rowing on this stupid machine that wasn't cooperating, and then some swinging on the bar and a bunch of deadlifts. And, you know, I had to stop after a second because I wasn't not bleeding all over the equipment. And I had to basically pass out on the floor and cry a little bit, but I, you know, taped my shit up, got myself together, and we kept going. I got this towel that I used to basically cover my hand, which actually makes it kind of harder. We discovered that, so shout out to me for being such a fucking big boy. And then I did some elbow prehab because I have the elbows of like a 97-year-old woman from years of rock climbing and just being a general idiot. So normally Wednesdays we take rest day, but I was kind of busy this week, so anyways, we started Wednesday with some rowing and some other stuff, bit of stretching. We did this forearm stretch and some other whatever stuff. And then we had this kind of complicated workout that involved a lot of math, which is arguably not my strong point. And Tyler and I had a whole fight about it. He was being a little fucking diva, but I actually won the argument because he wanted to do it wrong. But then we got into the workout and it was super challenging. We did a bunch of power cleans, building up to like 225 for a couple reps, and just bang, 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 so many power cleans. And my hand was fucking killing me, and it was a whole thing, and I was super exhausted. Fun, I had a great time. Look at me not sweating. Totally fine. Obviously we weren't done after that. Duh. There was like a whole second thing, which was riding on the bike, doing some pull-ups, some lunges, which were fucking heavy, I'm not even gonna lie about that. Some handstand push-ups. Then we finished off with some sit-ups and just, you know, a couple sprints, and then carrying the sandbag around forever. It's really, you know, like basic shit. Thursday we were pretty sore, but I'm not gonna lie. Kettlebell presses and some warm-up stuff, stretching, foam rolling, and some frog stretch stuff, and you know, we keep it a little fruity over here. We did this banded stuff and these shoulder swing things that are great warm-up. They just kind of activated everything and basically roasted my shoulders. I mean, like, I still feel it. We did the shoulder press thing that was like tons of reps. I think I did 110, 115 pounds or something for 10 reps. And just do it, and that was like pretty fun. And then we got into some deadlifts. And this was sets of 8. So it was like building to your heaviest 8, which mine was, I don't think I reached my max, but we stopped about 350. I think I probably had more in the tank, but I was being a lazy bitch and my hand hurt, so leave me alone. And then we got to this cardio piece, which was hard. We were very tired. Bar stuff and jumping on this little fucking box, and then some front squats and rowing and thrusters, which are my least favorite thing. And I was so gassed for this, I'm not gonna lie, I almost died. But it's fine because the next day was a rest day, which I desperately needed because look at the state of my hands. And it's fine. I had a photo shoot, which luckily they didn't take any photos of my hands because they would have had to get somebody else. But it's fine because before you know it, we're back in the gym again. And this was the last workout of the week. It was my favorite one. This was the best one. You know, started off easy, gotta warm it up. Some riding of the bike and some calf raises, swinging shit around and rolling on the floor and rolling around on the floor with a ball and stretching with the bands. And then we set up for the squat thing where basically we went for a run, came back, and I did 50 squats unbroken. Kind of light, but it was still a thing. And this next bit was some skill work, which I accidentally filmed in slow motion, so you're welcome. Just doing some real basic handstand walking and double jump rope, stupid tricks. Then we got into the main workout, which starting off with 15 ring muscle ups. Here's a bunch that I did unbroken, because, you know, I got some skills on these. And then it was more rowing, and then it was more burpees over the rower, and more muscle ups, which I always like. Those are probably one of my favorites as well. And then more rowing, and then more jumping, and then more rowing, and then more jumping, and then more rowing, and then you think we're done. Psych! 5 rope climbs to finish it off strong. And then we are officially done. Look at me here. Totally fine, so chill, not sweating at all, not gasping for air like a dead body, and, you know, being just so chill. Like, we could just do it again. We're just ready to go. Because like I said, it's not that interesting. It's kind of just beginner shit, and anyone can do it. So that's it.